bait, me have to cover a rooftop, you know, guys. Yeah, man, rain for the job, my people. It's a rainy day, guys. Weather, my people, weather. This is what you call weather. So yes, guys, we're there. And we still have you out working. But you know, them start forklift for you now. All we need to do is just put something on the top, guys. Yeah. So, out there doing my peeps. But you cannot take a 5, you know, guys. Show no what going on. Big trailer come up here now. It's not like we can go in with people. We have to do here unload all them things here. Because you know, at the job, you know. Part of the job. Yeah. We have to do here unload off all of them things here. The man kind of unload some down at the bottom part already. And we have to go do this in the rain, you know, guys. So them something we have to go through, you know, as a farmer. Only the guys that move pick their player now. Only them have to head back to the bunkhouse, you know. Because you know, not really pick up them. So we don't pick the apple in the rain when them wet. They bruise the apple. Yeah, some reason I don't know, like the apple gets soft or maybe based on how the finger them get cold, so you literally squeeze the apple harder than normal with peeps. Yeah. So we out there.
I'm gonna go take a piss before I worry about getting a ticket.
Oh, no problem. You going back?
No, I'm done.
Oh, you done?
Fuck that. It's 4:30. By the time I go back there and here, it'll be midnight.
Okay. Yeah, so that guy who drive the truck. We just asked him if he finished the day and he actually say yes. So them been a colorful my peeps. Yeah, man. So I'm not ready to put on the ticket them as yet. I don't know if you hear what I'm saying, but some reason yeah, man. So have you unload off all of them here, guys. Yeah, so me just in a little hut, guys. Watch where I go on. I have to put this a cardboard on top of it. On top of it for looking at my people. So all the boss go see me, you know. You think him not talk about the rain we have fall, you know. Well, first thing him I go ask, who pay? Who pay? But it's what it is. Rain and fall, we take a 5. We actually on break. And what is a truck man here? That's what I know say some man does. You see farm work, you have to struggle. This a man here, you know. Him sure this go home, you know. This a old man here, you know. But this a trailer. It's a trailer, you have to company. But all the other rest of man they know where. I know the company where know say, yes, so them have to come park. Them sure just stay home. Go home, go up them wife. And go drink them coffee, you know. Yeah. In the rain now, you have to go bush, go feed, go load your truck. And come here so now, expect say we unload in the rain now, my people. So, I just say when I them a place, man, you have to be strong, man, because if you're not strong, man, oh God, man, I tell you, my people, you're not pretty out here. Watch what I go on now. See, the rain a fall. yeah man, we're there. So we'll get this unload and see. That is it. The great Darrell. So yeah guys, I get to work. You know. What am I going to do now? I want to do me. You can cut your phone right there so guys.
Okay, so the truck is different than the trailer.
Oh.
Front is Bella Vista and the trailer is Aberdeen.
Oh. Sure, go on. So we have to put on the ticket there, you know. Oh.
Yes, that's how I do it.
I guess because the rain George don't come today.
What's that?
The rain made George didn't come.
Well, he had a doctor's appointment this morning and then he called me and asked me if it's worth him coming in afterwards. And I said, well, not really. Because I don't think there's going to be much going on tomorrow.
Oh.
Because it's supposed to rain all night and then tomorrow morning now.
Yeah, that's what I heard.
So I was going to ask you guys if any of you guys wanted a day off too, or whatever tomorrow.
Well, we see how it go.
Huh?
We find out, we see how it go.
Yeah, well, I'll leave it up to you guys. If a couple of you guys want to take tomorrow off, I'm fine with that. It's just I either need either you or Taylor here. Well, Chris the only one to do it too.
Yeah.
It's up to you guys. I know Andre's had a few days off now. I don't know whether he'd want to have any more days off. But like I say, it's up to you guys.
Let's go.
Yeah. And also after we're done 14, we're going to do room 2 down below.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay. And then we'll come back up after that. You want to pull those three out and the three on the other side.
They must say not that, you must say not now go on tomorrow. You must say not now go on tomorrow because
This one, I want you to record